Hi there, it's Automotive Control. We have another Volkswagen Transporter T6.1 with us this afternoon. We've removed the original Volkswagen radio. We've installed the DMX9724XDS, which looks just like this. The positioning of this screen is adjustable, so this is exactly where this particular customer wants it. You can also tilt the unit forward and backwards a little bit. The unit has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wireless, complete HD touchscreen. We have reverse camera, so cam button. We've retained the original Volkswagen camera on there. Steering controls, they all work as well. SOS is retained, and also the vehicle menu. So the Volkswagen vehicle menu is all still viewable on this new KENWOOD touchscreen. This particular unit comes with a 3-year warranty as well.